Hello and welcome. If you've been following me, you know I'm all about spirituality and self-mastery. You see, I believe that each one of us is here to be empowered by the spirit that's within each and every one of us. And we're here to live these fullest versions of ourselves, but it truly involves being empowered and coming from that power. So that's to me this mastery I speak of. Today I want to tell you about one little trick. I call it the power of a pause. You see, in any moment, we have the potential to pause and not respond, not react if we're not in a safe or comfortable space to do so. And the pause allows you to do a few things. It's actually a 3-step process. And I want to first inform you that the first step is to purposefully decide, intend to pause, to breathe, and then pay attention to what's going on within you, to your emotions, to your thoughts, to your physical feelings, to any urges or eruptions or energy in motion that's moving through you at this now moment. Step 2, process. As you pay attention to the step, you don't want to resist it. You want to process it. You want to allow it. You want to invite it. Not that you want to give it a place to live and stay, but by resisting it, you actually set yourself up to unconsciously project it outward, either now or have it come back and trigger you later. So the best thing to always do is to allow it to move through you in the moment. The third step is to proceed from that higher version of yourself. If you can't get there in this moment, it is perfectly okay to say, I'll get back with you. We've talked about a lot here. I'm processing some of this and I'll get back with you. It's okay not to respond in this moment, not to give a response or an answer to a question asked of you if you're in the midst of an emotional wave coming through you or some energy or urges that don't come from your highest, best version of you. So purposefully pause. You choose to take a breath and to look and purposefully pay attention to what's going on inside you. 2, process that. Process what's going on. Don't resist it. Don't push it away, but let it come forth and give you greater insight. Let your intuition serve you at this point. And then 3, proceed from the highest version of yourself, even if that's asking for permission to get back with them at a later point in time. I hope this has served you. It's all about you stepping into self-mastery skills that serve you and coming from that highest version of you. Until next time.